Menteri Badai Kemi Katanat Revenue and Disaster Management ubak Kyrmen Shylla haringkat Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ba ALHEC haka arpau trek jeliu kilahir sya West Giant Hills nakabenta ka jingalang bishar kam haka bayadai be kejingjia sya pynjulor namar ka jingther ulak ba nadu kini kikindat singi baladap hapo West But East Giant Hills District. Habakran ha ka jingalang kabalalong ha conference room ka office u deputy commissioner Juwai uba ALHEC ulapan pa baka jingtemu bakong san ha ka ni ka jingwan jurip ka jongki kalong ban bishar benia halor ka jingjia sya pynjulor badang syudap jiasyan namar ka jingjor slam kata nadu ki yeng kisam ki surok bat ki wei bat ru ban pen kre mardor ya ki jingdon kam baro bat ban pen poy kila jingarap hapo kasapu pra kenta syakitu kilong yeng long sem ki bala syakta. Uba Kyrmen Shylla ula banjur ya kitana sorkar badai kemi bakin Shim mardor ya ki sen jam habajia kinu ki jingjia syak pynjulor ha ki bor ka mariang ha ka jaka ban up ya ki kenhun jong katana disaster management bakin wan tuklar. Ula ongru baka jingkloy ban tuklar da kitanat badai kemi kan la ban pen kloy ya ki la jingaram na ka benta kitu kilong yeng bala syakta bat ru ban la ban penya syakmat ya ki kam maramon. Na kaliang ki Deputy Commissioner jangka West But East Giant Hills kata ubak BS Solia IAS bat u Abhilash Baronwal IAS kilawan ra ya ka kaipot ka babenia ha ka bayadai bak kini ki jingjia syak pynjulor badangshan hapo kini ki arteli ki district. Da ka ba pentep baka ni ka jingther jong uslap hadu kini ki kindat singi baladam kalawan ra ka jingjulor ya ki surok bat ki jingkhein kiladon ru ki jingjia tua khendau ka jingsyak pynjulor ki narpost electric bat ki wei pat ki jingjia ya ki ba ki board district la Shim mardor ya ki senjam lingba ki tanat badik mi. Nalor kata la penpauru bagi jingjia syak pynjulor kimlong ki bajur hadu kata habaro ki arteli ki district habayanu jor bat ki wei pat ki district ha ka jilla bat kam Shim la donru kanu ka jingdu jong ki mensim brio ha West Giant Hills light no ka jingyap jong wei ubrio hapo ka shnong sutnga East Giant Hills ha kapor ka jingwan Syllad jong ka cyclone Remel ya ka jilla. Kila pentip ru ba kila pak mardor ya ki kinhun badai kemi halor kini ki jingjia hapo kini ki district. Ha kani ka jingalang nalor kini ki arngot ki deputy commissioner laya donlang ru USDO Amnaram Civil Subdivision u Dr. Abhishek Saini IAS ba MB Tongper ADC Juwai kong J Kharpuri ADC Klerian ba S Panbo bat ba WK Kharbuli Assistant Commissioner Juwai Superintendent of Police uba Chempang Serti BDO Dr. B Langbang Thatlasken CNRD Block lambat ki wei pat ki he officer nakitanat baper.
With the people in all the areas of the district. So hope also today we have come all the way from Shillong with the instructions and the directions given by the Honorable Chief Minister, and also the Cabinet has decided yesterday only to send to all the ministers to different districts of the states to assess the damage, whatever the property damage, the road damage, whatever the damage has been done during this monsoon, to do the inventory and also to get the immediate relief within 48 hours. They are told not to wait for any funding from any other sources. Whatever funding that you are having in your place, you have to be delivered immediately to ensure that they are reached out to the people. So that is the only thing. But we like to thank you to all of you also, particularly to our DCs. They have already taken immediate action. They have sent the rapid response team to go immediately to the site and also to assess. They have done also, I hope, the inventory about the damage that has been done during this monsoon.
This is not a new thing for us. We have seen from time to time, almost every year we have witnessed that this kind of situation we have to face. But this year, so nice to hear that no loss of life in West Giant Hills, but yes, we lost one life in East Giant Hills. It's so sad for the family, but we believe that our contribution especially is not about monetary, but it's about the work, the support, the kind of support which we have been given from both the district to the people. I believe this will at least shows the presence of the government, the department, and all of us that we are serious with these issues. So I have nothing much to say today. We just want to hear from the district, and what you have done is really recommendable. And just one thing I would like to share, because this kind of confusion, it happened with many I have seen, especially with the honorable MLAs of different constituencies. Most of them they used to call. There are times that MLAs he call me. There's a bridge struck by a thunder. So this thunder strike and that the bridge has damage. So he called me and he said, "What is the help? How do we go ahead?" So I would like to request our officers, since we have all the officers from different departments. So if it happens to be at your department, please kindly take a serious note on this and then try to show them what to do, what is the next steps. Because there are times that it got confused that maybe the disaster management has to pay and then do repairing for this bridge, or maybe the PWD, or maybe the Mandriga. So many confusion. Sometimes we, though I am as a minister here, I will reveal this in front of you that sometimes we got confused with all of this. So we would like to request, so let's work together, and I see that all of you are very serious to tackle the issues. But I believe this kind of confusion, if we support each other, no doubt, even the honorable MLAs and especially the public, they will get the benefits in a short periods of time, as much as we can deliver our services to them.